longtime friends, blending the spine chilling thrills of horror and true crime.
The wildest Reddit stories.
And the hottest pop culture moments, one bold episode at a time. Welcome to
The
The
Bold
Bold
Blend.
Blend.
I'm Nate.
I'm Kate.
And I'm Ange.
Welcome to episode 12.
Hey.
Today's episode is
Ayan.
called Minimum Wage. Minimum
Yeah.
Wage.
Sakto din.
Minimum
Sakto din.
wage, maximum rage. So yeah, long time no tabi, guys.
Medyo may
Actually
tabo, no?
lang. So, I don't know, atong mga listeners siguro kanang nagsunod, medyo absent may pila ka weeks. And then, last week lang may
Yeah.
nakapost because, we're busy girls. So, here we are.
We're back and wapas me sa ako and last bit of May.
True.
Yeah. So about our topic for this episode, minimum wage, maximum rage. So, it's in the title nga about, minimum wage. I'm going balik-balik mo ko ni. But yeah, and the consequences or like the effects gani of this sad nga kuan reality sa world kuan. And most stories nga mahir nimo about this kay employees, I mean violence gani against the employers, di ba mo na ang mga kuan kanang term ani ay most common nga incidents gani kay tungod nga mayra kay sweldo, so mag-retaliate dayon ang mga employees by like doing harm or like murdering their employees or the employers and their bosses or unsa. So, pero kaniya tong story for true crime kay opposite siya sa norm. This is about okay, forgive me kay I might murder his name kay like it's Lithuanian, yeah. I'm just like basing this unsa ko na hear sa internet. So Rolandas Mlinavicius, I don't know, sorry, is a Lithuanian national who was convicted of murdering two of his employees at his car dealership in East Point, Georgia in 2007. So, the crime. On July 26, 2007, police discovered the bodies of Martinas Simokaitis. I don't know. Sorry, Lithuanian was that good sila, so I'm sorry.
I think we
And-
can skip the family name na lang siguro.
Sige ka na lang. Martinez was 28 and Inga was 25. Inside Milena Vicious business, both victims had been shot in the head, and Martinez sustained multiple additional gunshot wounds. Surveillance footage showed Rolandas entering the building with the victims but leaving alone in Inga's vehicle. He later met his family and instructed his wife to check the office and call the police if necessary. Rolandas then went to Lake Lanier, where authorities later found Inga's vehicle and shoes matching those he wore in the surveillance video. 2 days after the killings, Rolandas turned himself in to the police. During the investigation, a friend reported that Rolandas admitted to the shootings, stating he did it. Financial stress was cited as a possible motive, as Rolandas was in debt and both victims had recently requested money from him. So like they were asking for a raise.
Oh.
Yeah, and dili mo niya kaya. So it's really ko ano, murag grabe kayo ang escalation ba. Like pwede naman tingali dili i-murder? I don't know. So it's a trial and conviction. At trial, Rolandas claimed self-defense, alleging that Ito yung name, and I forgot. Martinez attacked him with a chair after an initial shooting attempt. He did not testify about shooting Inga, but suggested she was shot by Martinez. The jury found him guilty on all charges, including 2 counts of malice murder. Malice murder?
That's
He
new.
was sentenced to, I don't know, maybe, I don't know ha. Maybe sayop na isa ko and ako na rin. But
I'm
wait,
curious lang.
let's just Google it in a while. sorry, kay researcher ko ba, pero like I'm sorry. So like he was sentenced to 2 consecutive life terms, and the Georgia Supreme Court upheld his conviction in 2012 and appeals and habeas petition. In 2024, Rolandas appealed the dismissal of his federal habeas corpus petition, arguing that his limited English proficiency warranted equitable tolling of the filing deadline. The 11th Circuit Court of Appeals affirmed the dismissal, noting that language barriers alone do not constitute extraordinary circumstances for equitable tolling. The court also found that Rolandas had access to assistance during the relevant period, undermining his claim. The case has been widely reported and is often cited in discussions about workplace violence and employer-employee relations. So, medyo kuan kayo sa kanang mahimo na kag example gani. So, kuan kito mga nina nga discussions. So, not really goals. Sa kanang
Yeah.
right? Kaya like it's the negative example. Oh no. So yeah, that's the story of Rolanda's Millennium Vicious. I'm so sorry. I don't know how to pronounce your
tried.
name.
Yeah, tried.
I tried. That's the best I could do.
Well,
So
well,
yeah.
that's quite a story. Yawan na sa kumuhang iyo og grace.
Logi sa.
Pwede rin mo na to, no? If dili niya kaya ihatag kay, pwede i-let go na lang tika.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Kita ko ng mga meme ba nga, how to ask for a raise niya. Yang gisukmag iyang boss.
Violence.
Violence.
Oh no. Hadlo ka sa danay. So come on. Makadare na mo. Ask Grace.
Look na noon ko. Kay basig. Kapariha ta. I'm kidding. But it's weird that he claimed nga self-defense daw. Yeah, namustil siya.
Yeah.
Kikilabayan siya chair. So what?
Na daw, na shooting attempt.
Initial.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm the way kaya after a chair was thrown after an initial shooting attempt, which makes you think that was the initial shooting attempt initiated by him, since he seemed like the guy nga nagdala sa gun, or was it the other guy nga on sa chair? So I don't know. But either way, he killed employees.
Yeah.
I mean, siya naman sad ko na bilin to tell the story, and so yeah, but like so surveillance kay tells a different story. So naka-search ko kadiyot. Well, nag-story ako.
Ay.
About malice murder. Kay ganino, wala ko like murag ko na akong brain like what is this? So it is a criminal offense in the U.S. state of Georgia, committed when a homicide is done with express or implied malice. So according to Georgia law, express malice is that deliberate intention unlawfully to take the life of another human being, which is manifested by external circumstances capable of proof. Malice is implied when no considerable provocation appears and where all the circumstances of the killing show an abandoned and malignant heart. Whoa. Okay. Similar siya to first degree murder in other states. So that's why murag mura ilahang gaan term.
Murder. So it's like the dude really had the intent to kill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero ka-scary sa.
Yeah.
Did you na
very-
siya good thing nga kanang in a closed space siguro mo sa nga kanang maghisgot og money nga in
Kanang mga yan,
okay. Ako minumduman ba kay katong death ni Selena, katong singer nga gipatay gani. Mo ba ang nahitabo nila
Ni Yolanda.
Yeah, ni Yolanda nga gi-confront niya, gipatay niya. So,
Yeah, and that was a money issue.
no gani money issue. Kay nangawat na.
Oh.
Yeah, no mga ano. So, if mo asta Grace kay through email na lang guro guys, di na to ipa-meeting.
True. And I guess if it's involving a confrontation, I think it's best if kanang kuan ba kanang ang space kay murag medyo safe.
Yeah.
Like, dili nga murag in closed space with you and the person you're confronting. That's kind of creepy or scary.
Yeah.
Pero wasa ta kay basig dili siya pina-corporate. Ay noon kay sa to car dealership siya, di ba?
Car dealership.
Yeah,
So
car
basig
dealership.
dili pina-corporate gani nga kanang office. Like
True.
Oh, yeah.
ako may imagine kay na siya shop niya. Nala siya people nga mo help niya no. Takamalo sad.
True.
Yeah.
Nasa luyo, no? Or behind the dude. That makes sense. Kay lahi ang safety protocols if ingon ana. Yeah, that makes sense. But dang. Grabe. Di ba na intense juga no? Gipusil. Gipusil
Lagi.
niya.
Ako kay multiple pag ito nga gunshot wounds. Like,
bitaw no sa katong usa.
So like grabe sad na ako an kanang iyagit tong make sure jud ba nga ma-unalive jud ang person.
Yeah.
Pero di sa ta sure sa what if kay duha biya sila. So what if gaplano
Gitabangan
to siya? Like gaplano sila ba nga ang owner kay ko anon niya. What if self defense jud na defend lang yun niya yung self? I don't know. We don't know. We don't know jud.
I don't know. But yeah, that makes sense. 2 versus 1, and I guess if ingon na niya gilabayan ka og chair niya duha sila ka buok, then I think you would grab the nearest weapon.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Pero we'll never know.
Yeah.
That's a different twist. Kay usually stories about workplace rage, kay kana man ang employee ang mo do sa thing. It's a good one, bro.
Yeah, thanks.
Binotan lang ko sa work.
Magbinutan ako sa work. Di na lang ko
Ano
mo
dyan?
request o Grace, oy. I-email na lang, oy. Di na lang ko makig-meeting.
Uchat na lang ka. Bekenemen.
Casual ra kay nga chat ba?
Ay, lako. But, I think one thing naka-nice gid siguro po sa corporate is although it's not big, but I guess na annual nga
Na-j process ba?
Mm.
Na-j process nga kanang like i-base siya sa evaluation. So kanang dili siya murag something nga ganan ko mo request lang og Grace like kay bawo ka ba nga if ever mo request magani og Grace ang imong employee kay makaingon ka nga naka-schedule man na atong annual nga raise by this time. So yeah.
True. With proper parameters. A lot of it is
look nga kanang magpinusilay mo.
True though. I guess maasa na siguro ng ang one thing, a bit of a pro for working in a corporate setup kay medyo organized ang flows of things. Although the thing about it, if organized, daghan sa siya gagian is medyo the process in itself. Mahinay sa tiguro.
Mausad.
Yeah.
True.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
So do you want to hear my story?
Let's go.
Yes.
Yeah, you want to hear my story? I guess disclaimer, I want to focus this time on the maximum rage because a lot of us, gamay naman siguro ang kanang marag, mumisgot ta sa, sa wage, marag hapdus man. Ato lang sa ko focus sa maximum rage. Have you ever felt nga in a work setup nga, ganing mapikon mo sa inyong boss or a coworker and you have tried malicious compliance? Do you guys know what malicious compliance
what
is?
does that mean?
Malicious compliance, and we're circling back to malice. You know, you have like these bad intentions, but you're complying to something with malicious intentions. For example, may nga na mong boss nga, late, dasad ka. Mas may pwede na lang ka musod kasi malate ka. And then you're like, okay. You said that. Umabsent na lang ako sunod, kinalate ka. Umabsent na ka. Malate naman gudong ako. So, sunod na lang ko ni That's malicious compliance. I try na maging manana.
Wa man sad noon.
Maminaw
Ay, sige.
kong boses, ani. So, no comment.
Ay, Ate Karen. Okay, I'm gonna read my story because it's kind of related to that. And you know what happens if ang empleyado kay mapuno sa dusahay ba sa ilahang boss. And kinagin the low key kanang rage, the subtle rage ngay mahang ikuan in a workplace setup. So this Reddit story is from the subreddit malicious compliance, and this is by user frantic pedantic from 4 days ago. It's fairly recent. So he says, years ago, I worked in a semi-public sector job as part of a successful team making life easy for local businesses. Our team boss took a good job in the private sector, and a new boss was recruited from a decent organization similar to ours in a different part of the country. She worked compressed hours, so Monday to Thursday, and was off on Fridays. So a month or two in, and although the new boss was quite particular about things being done her way and had upset a couple of my colleagues by criticizing their work, I had no problems with her. We had a team meeting where the boss said that our performance wasn't good enough. And Nash, disclaimer here, we were arguably the best in the country. And that she, the boss, wanted to be more involved in what and how we did everything to ensure better quality, and so we should copy her to every client email so she could comment as needed before we sent another reply. So, medyo micromanager
Micromanager.
Yeah.
si new boss. Although this seemed inefficient, nobody argued, and I just asked her if I should wait until Monday for her to comment on any client emails received on Friday. Okay, again, boss only worked till Thursday. I can't remember exactly what she said, but at the end of the meeting, she asked me to stay behind and told me in a heated tone that my question was bullying behavior. I love the look on your faces. That it was unprofessional to ask the question in front of the team. So guys, magtagna na sila. And said that my actions were the sort of thing that HR would see as grounds for dismissal and that I should be very careful in the future. So, what did OP do? I told her I understood, and we returned to our desks where I wrote up every single detail of the entire meeting and interaction and sent it to the head of HR with the explanation that as bullying was very serious and may not be reported by the victim, aka OP's boss, I felt duty bound to report myself. I also laid it on pretty thick about being appalled by my unprofessional behavior and the fact that my career was likely at risk, and I clearly had a desperate need for training and discipline to fix my dangerous ways. I also copied in my union rep. Within a day, me, my union rep, and my boss were with the head of HR who, by being a by-the-book professional, could find no indication of bullying or justification for my fears of being an unprofessional bully in need of re-education. I want to be this petty. I don't know.
Yeah.
I was asked to leave the meeting. My union rep stayed in, and I don't know what was said, but within 6 weeks, my boss was gone. And that same week, my weak and ineffective but likable big boss called me to thank me as he had wanted to get rid of her, the new boss, but hadn't known how.
Wow.
So that's my Reddit story, guys. What do you guys think?
Ka-funny.
Um, Lagi. Congrats.
Yeah, actually, congrats.
Yeah, murag kuan siya nga fit. Nindot ka siya nga fit. Good. Like, pwede na naman i-add sa imong CV. Ay, wait, sorry sa'yo. Sa'yo mo na siya may.
Napakick out
Yeah,
na ko ang
galing.
boss.
I was petty.
Yeah.
So,
Lagi yung nakuha in the most professional way. But just,
Gani.
oh.
Kanang wala joy ma-call out sa iya ba?
Oh.
I
Grabe.
love that. So, do not tick off your employees. If there are any bosses or people with employees reading or listening to this.
Actually, maka-remember ko, 2 months ra ba to. Nya, akong kuyog ato nga shift, night shift man to, medyo nagkatabi-tabi mi ba? Kay, ang murag senior nga PM, ato nga team, attitude kaayo. I think nakashare ko ano ninyo nga kanang lain kay batasan. Nawala ba?
Yeah.
Nakashare ko, di ba? Tung
Murag
garant ko.
nag-share ka.
Oo, nga.
Oo.
Absent ka to.
Lain kay siya bro nga kanang
Oh.
iyang ingnan nga kanang iyang ingnan tong murag specialist ba nga naa sa night shift kay kami ra man duha so PM ug specialist so wala gani niya puro mis bag-o so if na may questions like wala mi mapangutan-an niya ang mahitabo ugma pa nya ang ako mong naandan like sa kato akong work before ug work now nga if na ay dili clear for me akong i-ask ang kinsa akong kasturya. Inana ba nga ipa-verify nako, ipa-clarify. Nya, ang nahitabo, makagets ra ko nga kanang di siya ganahan nga inana, gusto siya nga siya. Di ko ganahan sa approach. Kailain naman kay siya istorya nga kanang, ikaw, kamo, magbuot-buot mong duha. Hala, kung pwede, kalma lang ka, girl. Like, it's not that big. Murag, OA ra kay ka. Ina na ganin niya, ang naka-funny pa jud kay dili to siya nga kanang client akong kasturya. In the same company ra, but like, another level of, ano ba, like, namto sila lead account manager. So, project manager, lead account manager niya, client. But like, lain na kasi tinuryaan niya. Medyo problematic sa dyan nun to gamay ang specialist kay murag dagan gani kay masayop, dili niya ma-apply, balik-balik. Ako man mismo mag-check sa yung work kung nanasad kay wala na-apply. Yabi to nang giingnan nga ka ng, ikaw, di ko ganahan nimo sa work. Okay ra ko friends ta outside work, pero sa work, di ko ganahan nimo. Kanang nanggigigil na ako sa'yo. Kay Tagalog man. Yung gingnan, nanggigigil na ako
Ang
sa'yo.
specialist?
Unlike, ano siya nga, konti na lang, isang strike na lang, parang inana nga context mo kung
Murag,
okay ra ta to if
unprofessional.
sila
Your
lang or
play.
unsa, I mean,
Yeah.
if sila lang gihapong duha, di gihapon siya nice
Yeah,
paminon.
gihapon.
Di ba?
Oh.
Naaman good ko sa call.
Oh.
And like, lain na, ay, mura jud ko. Attitude jud kay siya niya. Like, grabe, na red flag, na nato siya yung red flag before, kay murag, nato'y project ba nga ang account manager kay dugay kay naka-coordinate na mo. So, nagdali-dali mi kay less than a week ra buhaton. Hala, pag meeting na mo siya, putang ina. Kanang, namalikas na siya.
Curse.
Namalikas na siya sa call na mo ba nga kanang, namura siya nang libak ato nga. Unsa man sila mo trabaho yan na. But ang ako alam kay nganong mamalikas ka sa call like na ang mga di jud siya professional for me. So like niya
Very
Yeah, dili
niya
jud.
na ako nga. Sus kanindot ani if petty lang no if ang nakabati lang ato kay pag last day nako wala am good kay murag exit nga call with boss or katong murag manager nga nahagandol kay busy jud kay to ba season jud gani nila. So wala jud tay pag last day nako message na siya nya wala mi murag kumusta man nimong experience here kay if gipangutan ako ako jud to isumbong. Ako jud to isumbong.
Ito.
And ang nahitabo di ay matud pa sa specialist kanang mga storya-storya dito sa team ba. Kuan din na siya. Nanana to siya issue before nga na ay bag-usad sa team nga nihawa tungod niya.
If yan na yung batasan.
Mao ganyan ako nga dili ba ni dapat buhat kanang murag problem na sa HR kay ang nahitabo kato siya karon ni resign naman pud siya niya yung gingnan ng manager na mo ato nga tungod ato niya. So like kapila na guro ni nahitabo before and like di ba dapat ang HR na mo take action ana
True, it's gonna cost the company.
to naka dito ko
Well,
naka
it
na ba
depends, Jud. Natin na yung
na siguro siya
Nakatrabaho.
kapit I don't know kay
Yeah.
ang murag chika sad ato before kay kato nga team siya before to nabuo nga team si manager siya sa katong uban members dito. And then murag nag-reorganize sila karon di na siya manager. Di na siya ang gahandol murag power tripping kay siya. Inana nya ang mahitabo ang nakabad pa jud kay iyang bawion gani iya de yung kanang ayu-ayuhan og storya daw dito sa office kay musumbong man to ang specialist ko nga i-follow ko sa Instagram kay ganan ko makaibaw sa chika after inigawan ako. Anto nga chika mi niya. Ano siya nga iya kong giduol, Ange. Miss Ange, bunto yung tawag ko. Iya kong giduol, Miss Ange. Siya nga, mag-inom daw mi. Ganan daw siya makig-one-on-one ako. Agi-agion lagi na lami kayo. Damage control na lang dyan na niya. Kay baw siyang murag, naka-realize guro siya, bang hala. Unsa man ni.
Makuan siya, masumbong siya, mapaktiya siya.
Naka na dyan ko nga, problematic ano yun, uy, so, yeah. Nakano ko ba nga, sa ako ang, pila pa mo kay years ga work, no, after ko ni graduate, but like, buyag-buyag, wadyo ko kasuway og inana sa akong mga, na stayan og dugay ba, nga kanang inana ka, lala og, di na gani siya like, personalay naman ko diya, ha?
Yep.
Oh, so ba kung di ganahan. Ito siya ko,
Yung
chika.
ingnon ka nga, sa tuyang ingon nga, murag last na lang.
Oo, nanggigigil na ako sa'yo. Gigil na ako sa'yo. Uyo, ingnon niya. Na ako sa call ko nga. Luya sa specialist, oy, kaya nauwawan dyan to siya for sure, oy. Pag human
Dili na
gila
siya
to,
constructive ba?
oo, niya,
Yeah.
nitugan dyan siya, nga kanang, na-down dyan daw siya ato nga call. To, ako siyang gichat, unta okay ra ka. Mo dyan tayo mabuhat.
True.
Nindot
Hopefully
pa.
no na natoy nakita lain nga job
True.
nga nindot ang imuhang
Na-
kauban before.
Nakaan ako nga, nindota, inanaon, Antoy, para itong gibuhat sa katong story sa Reddit.
Ay, brave kayo na. Petty kayo ba? Perfect kayang pagka-petty.
I think naadyo yung issue sa kanang mga inana gani if like external nga mahimong manager nga
Oh,
kanang
yeah.
wala
I
kay baw sa work around kay slight chika mo na siya nitabo sa kolas gibalinan kung nay maminaw sa akong team before kay okay ba naman na guys mo na siya nitabo before ni resign good.
You know, I think in situations like that, na, for example, imuhang role is kind of a leadership, people handling role. So, and then you get assigned to a new team that already existed. Dili siya ka ng bago nga na form. I think, in my opinion, the best approach to that is to get to know how they work,
Yes.
right? So that you can adjust.
Yeah.
Kasi they're the ones doing the work. Oh, good.
Yung sila ba ang
Yeah,
longer
true.
nga work?
Exactly.
Diba?
Yeah.
And if it hasn't fallen apart, then maybe it's working fine. No, don't fix what isn't broken.
Di ko type of manager nga kanang manager jud ko ninyo ha, sunda jud ko. More on like manager ko ninyo guys, pero ganahan ko nga madungog mo tanan. Kanang kung unsa inyo, di man ko mo make og decisions before nga ako lang. Kay di ba ya ako ang mo work ana? Di na ba ako mag-production
Yeah.
ato? Lan sa kay magbuot-buot ko nun, ya ang mga mo work kay na deslay let's say kanang lain nga suggestion or like di sila kauyon if in ani. So tanan jud decisions ato. Ako jud i-consult sa team kay hala unsay ang may tawo mong god if di sila magkadimao tungod kay wa ko naminaw nila, ako ra pud ang managot if magka-issue.
True.
So di ba? So like mo tungon ni resign siya.
Yeah, I know, but
Lord.
those are kind of like real life experiences. Yun ba?
Yeah.
Kinda,
Mm.
you know, sometimes it sucks in the workplace. Sometimes maximum rage jud da.
Di mo
Okay.
siguro na malikayan eh.
And a lot of times it's because of how we're treated.
Yeah.
Kitsa may say tawi nga sa puton lang kay ako sa trabaho mag-rage lang ko diri because why not? Diba? There's gotta be and usually it's people pushing you
Mhm.
if not the job. It's
Smile lang si Kate pero pila na siya ka weeks nga walay tulog tungod sa iyang work.
Well, pero ang ako ba, namang most of the time, wala man kay ko sa side yun sa kon. I mean, lately, wako sa side sa employee. Nako sa side sa employer. Nga bitch. Naman ko yung mga part-time people sa
Mm-mm.
And yeah, kakuan sa nagagawa ng kuan eh kanang nagito time ako sa naka micromanage pod ko og people But if kamo sa ato, makaingon sad mo, glami sad gyud kay micromanage to sila. Kiba ko di sila maminaw ani kay duha ra man to sila ka people and tig like na sila pero di na sila maminaw. So like
You're safe.
yeah, I'm
True.
safe. And kaila pag yun mo na nilang duha nga akong gipang micromanage before. And then, ang ako lang yung kakuanan na to, kay ako may nag-rage. Sila, butan man sila slight. So, wala ra. Ana, ang kuan magod kay ako may managot. So,
Kana
muna
jud.
maglagot ko.
Kana jud.
Yeah, ako may kasabaan, di man sila.
True.
So, it's so sad. Pero, bitaw, both sides man sa jud. Ako na kuan na feel na ko nang kuan. Pero akong boss kay buta na siya ha. Hi ate. Akong boss buta na siya. Like super generous.
Eh. Galibog ko if tinuod ni or nagpadungog-dungog ni.
Ano pa daw?
Yeah, legit.
legit.
Like sira man ako only boss good ever niya. Kuan very butan, very generous. And ambot lang funny lang gyud ko paminaw nga mura gyud siya ganang lies. But yes, legit.
But
Both.
you know, I see your sister. She's a nice person. Although,
So why di ba mo nagadi?
you're gonna
At Ate Ayan, if you're listening to this, Naya is just shy.
ako na story. It's not malicious compliance though, because my compliance was because I was clueless. It was my first job. Like my first real job. I'm not gonna name drop anything or what, but basically the point of the story was kasagsagan do sa pandemic, and you know how strict the rules were in terms of kana ganing ug masakit ka, you have no right kay katungod magpakita sa work gamay nimong ubo, diba? So
Yeah.
that time, you know, I wasn't feeling so good and I had fever. Yeah, katong nga time wala pa ako nag-rent sa city. So talisay, niya mag-drive ko every day to work sa city. And katong nga time kayo nga, hey, boss person, I'm not feeling well, so I don't think it's a good idea nga mo show up ka sa work. And boss person was like, kanang, ay, show up lang sa work kay you show up sa work, you time in, and then go to the clinic to be sent home. Okay? Imagine na yung mindset, ha? She knows. Does that narrow down the anyway, she knows that I live very far. She knows that I drive to work, but she made me drive to work feeling unwell. Just to kuan because kanang it's a part of their kuan mga kanang the things that are also checked sa mga sa ilaha nga if their people showed up to work or what. So obviously, ang yung ginahon na yarang kaugalingon. Pa-drive niyang masakiton mo dun sa office. I timed in, and then I went to the clinic to be sent home. The clinic sent me home, obviously. Because I was sick. Fever, cough. Dayon, of course, required ko magpa-swab. Yeah, turns out, gi-COVID man gyud ko. Yan, isud ko sa office. Nga, gi-COVID ko. So what happened was not only was I kanang quarantine,
Sila po.
most of my team was as well. And ang nahitabo ato, it was a mess. Kay HR called me and said, who were you spending your time with, eating lunch with? Did you join team meetings? Of course, I joined team meetings. We were required to join team meetings. But I said, yeah, I joined team meetings. And then boss person told me nga, if HR calls, and they will call, don't let them know nga you've been in close contact with us. In a sense nga, you are not eating lunch with us. You are not sitting with us during meetings. And me, that was my first job, and I was gullible. Okay, I was a very gullible person. I complied, and that's what I told HR. So basically, I lied to HR. And dapat jud form of bullying in a sense. I don't know. Did you guys call it bullying? So most of the team got quarantined. Some of them kay hotdan og PTOs ba? Ilahang paid leaves. Hotdan sila ato. And so unpaid ang ilaha ang some of the days na they were out nga required because of quarantine. And ilaha kayong nun ba nga, uy, di, kabiraso na ni, ganang, kisildo na mo ha?
Hello.
Naan ka.
Oh my God.
Nya, di kayo, nya, kanay, toxic dyan kayo, nya, mana sila nga. Dato bitaw ka. Atay ka na, familiar ka sa finances, no? So, kita ka sa kuwang mga kuyawan ko, kita ka mga financial records ako. Kay kung dato ako na siguro ko na narbaho, gahayang-hayang na siguro ko sa dagat somewhere. But
Kabitch sa
inganaon ko nila.
manager. Uy!
Same na ni Kayan. Same na ni Kayan. Kanang ninana sila og culture dito like kanang kita man na sila hatod ko si Kayan niya ni daddy. So kita sila SUV jud. Niya. Kuno sa din na sila nga, oh datong kang ano nagtrabaho mo ka diri. Kanang ibuli siya like that, but weird ka yung ano.
Bullying, for me, it's bullying. Hindi siya
Ano,
comfortable
kung-
nga. Kuan.
niya kanang kinang mangutan na sila like unsay trabaho sa imong family niya kon ngano ni nana ra man ka kanang gidaman nila ilang sa but also ngano mang lockdown sad sila jud og any type of job and nang bully sila sa person nga wala ni follow sa trend lang sa family ba so it's kind of kanang like wala kaning pa-victim sad sila silang selves but also
Mhm.
bully sad sila so weird gid dito weird ang culture lagi dito
Kalain sa?
Oh, and it gets worse. I don't think I've told you guys the story. I haven't told you guys the
Murag
story.
wala.
Wala, no? Kay,
oh.
giloom mo na to na ako kay wala ko kasabot. That was my first job, man. I didn't know.
Uy, kaluoy ni mo.
Oh,
Uy,
what's happening
giluom
to me?
yun.
Kay, you know, because my perspective of things, this is my first job. I want to do well in my first job, okay? And I want to
Yeah.
impress people. And if my, kanigin ako wrong nga mentality before. If my boss thinks it, it must be true. Or it must be right. Or it must be good for me. Mao na ako mentality sa una. I'm glad. Wala na dyan na ako na after ato. So what happened was, wato na, malik na me. And they constantly, I guess, bully. I don't say bully, but yeah, may sila ba? Kanang, uy, wari mong kuhan, uy, mong unpaid leaves. As a joke. Katawar ako, but, you know, medyo na-offend ko. Because that wasn't my fault.
Bro, bullying na dyan na, bro.
In the first place.
If you think about it, sad ba, if inana, ambot lang no, kay katong sa amo abuyag, pinangga ra bedyo ko dito, like katong nakasuway mo ko na na COVID, na like nganong wala sila offer nga kanang tanan nga mag-quarantine tungod kay suspected nga gikan from work, like dili lang mo i-unpaid leave, inana gani, kanang if magunahon na dyan sila silang employees gani, kay katong kami before katong na-checkahan ba ta mo nga katong mag 2 weeks nga training tayo sa Manila na himong 1 month kay naay mga na COVID. So after bi ato no kay gitagaan mig pila mga ka days gusto mag-leave. Inana kanang paid ra ni sila dili ni siya i-minus sa imong credits or unsay. Inana ba? Kung lahi ra jud sa depende jud guro no? I don't know.
Depende sa company.
Depende sa company. Oh, jinx.
Yeah. Because quick segue lang ha. Akong current company, during Odette, a lot of people wasn't able to come to work. Diba baka, wala gin nila to consider as leave ang katong tanan nga ng absent.
Diba?
It was paid as if they went to work.
Yeah.
Na. Like, kanang pro-employee sila ba?
Kana.
I'm glad I'm with a company that's like that. So, balas ako sa story ha. Crazy kayo mo to ni balik na. And, you know, I said all those lies to HR, right? Of course, HR is HR. They know things. They know it's fishy. They reviewed CCTV cameras. I was eating lunch with people. I was joining team meetings. So, naabot sa point, ipatawag ko sa HR. And it took a while. It took like, I don't know, months after nabalik ko from my quarantine. Ipatawag ko sa HR. And I learned from boss person, okay, ipatawag ko sa HR, kuyugan ta ka dito. So, while HR was explaining to me what happened, kay they were able to come up with rules manggod sa work during the pandemic nga kanang if ever you're sick, you're not supposed to go to work because that means you're intentionally trying to harm the people who are there. Because it is true, because you know you have your symptoms.
Yeah.
Why would you go to work, right? And that makes sense. Agree with HR on that. So explain to HR. So they served me with a lot of once again
Violations or?
violations, right? Sa company policy because I went to work knowing I was sick. Then boss person was listening and giyagan ko niya pagbalik, and you know what happened? Boss person and like a higher super high up
higher
boss
ups.
person went down to our floor, talked to me, and told me exactly what I would write on paper. Sa akong explanation to HR.
Oh.
It's crazy. And here's what how I was supposed to write it, ha. Na I wasn't feeling well, but I felt better. So I drove to work. But pag-abot na ko sa work, pag-abot na ko sa parking lot, nilain man, nagbalik akong lawas. So, clocked in. I told my boss person, I'm not feeling well, so I think I should go to the clinic. And she's like, oh, okay. So I went to the clinic, got myself sent home. So, kinsa nga accountability ana nga story. Oh,
Ikaw. Mm.
and to think,
Oh my
I asked
gosh.
permission not to go to work because I wasn't
Kayat.
feeling well. And they told me I should
Napakalimpyo.
write it that way. And you know what? It's also on me. I was so gullible. Like looking back, I want to slap myself in the face because I did it. I wrote it that way
Oh.
because they were my
Wait.
bosses. Because they were my bosses,
Yeah.
and I thought, they were right. And that was my
Yeah.
first job. What do I know?
Mhm.
What do I know? Because I think those people are supposed to take care of me.
True. Kana,
Right?
kana,
Yeah.
kana. Ang manager mong good,
So
dili mong good na siya nga. I don't know, no, lahi lang sa jud siguro. No, pero ka-bitch ato niya. Uy, prigabo
I
lang.
wrote it exactly the way they told me to.
Yan yun sa
And
mga
guess
HR.
what? Final written warning. I was on the verge of being out.
Yan, ni-resign na lang ka to or unsa man.
Eventually, na-resign ko. Daghan man tog other things nga na happen kato nga boss person. Imagine, I don't know if you guys remembered when I had my wisdom tooth extracted. Gatong naggipa opera na ko kay impacted man siya. Dude, on the day of the operation, hapon ko nagpa-opera ha. After ato niadto pa ako sa work kasabay kong mama. Kay same
Ano?
drill, clock in ko.
Hoy!
Just so mupatak nga ko ang pag-clock in.
Kay atungod man gud na kay naay mga
God.
metrics sila good. Nga ilang mga...
And luya kay ko ato niya sakit kito niya mura man gud tog katong time nga gi-kuan siya kay something went wrong kay I think the tooth was in a very so it was in a position na that wasn't really entirely expected or seen sa x-ray niya. But na-extend pa to ang time sa pagtangtang ni take pa siya time ba sa initial nga kuan na mo. Anya, it was really bad. After that, ikaw kuno giwalwag mo hang gums dito, gilangkat tong kuan niya, gitahi pa ka.
Hoy, kakuan.
Niadto ko sa work. Kato nga time jud kay di na lain gid kay akong lawas ato. Wala ko na drive nagpahatod ra ko ato kay di naman gid makaya sa akong lawas. Igor ako nagpahuwat ra ko sa ubos eh. Ni clock in ko. Maluya kay ko yagit na yog lang. Ano lang ako.
Kayot.
Inana gid sila ka-toxic.
Inana ba jud ka na mga
Inana.
BPO no? Kana mga inana ba nga contact center gani?
I don't know.
Feel ko dili tanan.
Dili tanan.
Kaya na may
Sa
uban
company,
people.
Basig
May ibang
hangol kay siya sa
people nga-
scores no? Mutong inana
Yeah,
iyang
most likely.
rules no?
Pero sa
Grabe
diha
yung mga
nga
best person,
company, daghan kog na
Known na
read
sila.
and daghan kog na know nga ninana ang mga story sa mga tao similar na ay mga kuan jud kanang basta
Yeah,
bad.
it took me a while to realize it was wrong. You know what? You know when I realized I was wrong? It was wrong. Nabalin ko ang company that cared for me. Nabalin ko ang company nga murag kuan kanang it's all about me. It's not all about them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nga my voice matters nga. I will always have the power at any point of the day to HR my bosses and usually I shouldn't be scared. There's like a specific hotline for that if I just want to HR people. And I never felt nga I was that free. Like I had the right to do that sa akong previous company. So
Yeah.
kaya ako naka-realize na, wait a second, yo, that was wrong. It took me a while to realize that. And yeah, maximum rage, but human na, nahitabo na ang tanan. Nahitabo na ang tanan. Dito po ka-feel sa akong maximum rage. But, you know, in a way, I guess, I'm thankful or sad kaya I am now in a place sa akong career nga happy ra sad ko and contented ra sad ko sa akong gido. So, that's my story.
Well, happy yun me for you, bro, nga naa kay na find na job nga
In the first
company
Good
nga
Unsa daw?
what?
Unsa
Wala.
daw?
Mo ko kisabot.
Di ba, ano ka job in the first
Sorry.
I-
Wala ko na
Happy daw siya nga na siya,
ko.
na daw siya job in the first place.
Luto-luto rin ako sa Earthstone.
Same. Magluto-luto tas el kurso.
Correct.
Yeah. But like, nindot gani nga naka-find ka na nga na company nga ni care na kanang pro employee. Yeah. No, good for you. Congrats.
True.
Thank you.
So, mo to siya.
Deserve.
Tapos kitag na storya no, but So for pop culture nga part, I think ma-relate na jud siya. So actually kato atong mga gistoryan ganina mo padong na ni siya here. So you know, atong last na naisgutan ay about man atong mga reklamo sa mga previous nga bosses, mga previous nga work. So and you know, when that thing keeps on happening, mahurot ba ka, ma-drain ka, ma-burnout na ka. Diba? So,
Yeah.
same before, nara ko ipang tanan, we'll go from there. So, unsa man yung handle yung burnout be? You know, ilang i-explain na ko yung mga makitaan nga post nga kana ang burnout daw, di rin na siya ma-fix in like weeks or ano na jud daw uban nga grabe jud. Luckily for me wala pa man sad nun ko ana, but you know, naadyo yung mga times nga reklamo ta sa work. 'Di ba? So,
Yeah.
kamo like panalitan na sa puto na mug maayo sa inyong job. Like I mean, kita at one point na jud siguro no nga kanang init kay imong gamay lang ang mahitabo kay wala na mo buto na ka. So unsa on
Yeah.
yung handle ng mga ana nga situations, guys?
I'm curious kang Kate.
Unsa
Well,
ni mo handle niya kanay imong boss pa jud kay di nimo pwede maaway.
well, actually, ang akong coping mechanism kay kuan naman yun. Coping.
Inuit.
Yung, di ka lang, kuan ba, like, sa kakapoy sa work and everything, ang ako lang yung huna-hunaon, I have this money and I can buy whatever I want with it. Kanang, you know, adult money. Kanang una, kana na lang ang akong i-think ba at the end of the day, balag kakapoy, at least a weekend, walay buhaton and mag-arrange na lang ko sa akong mga toys or mag-arrange ko sa akong mga bags and everything. So, you know, mura gid siya, dili magid siya kanang kuan. Mura lang siya nag-cover lang gani sa kuan. I don't know. I think no need ka og therapist. I mean, ako need ko og therapist para kuan gyud like address this kuan burnout nga feeling and I don't know. So, yeah, katong mga curious about sa akong toys. Kuha na siya mga kids
What
toys
does that
akong
sound wrong?
gimina.
IG
Mo gani
IG
nag-disclaimer
account
ko.
here.
Yes, Sylvanian stuff. If you want to follow, if you wanna see my cute critters.
Actually, yaming
So,
gibudol,
yeah.
guys. So kami ni Nea
Yeah.
nasad may toys. Ako
We're
na
into that.
pakito niya
now.
tamo sa picture ako nang gi-set up ang katong van.
Yeah.
Magpakita sad ko sa picture sa classroom ni cutie kaayo kay naay mga baby nga Sylvanians and na sila
Aww.
teacher. Daog
Kay Bobo,
Wala mo na si
kay
Kate.
Bobo mo nga naghinukto ko ganina ko asa man ako ibutang if magpalit kog bagong table. Di mo ni maigo. Di mo maigo ni huot ang van. So I don't know,
Oh,
nagunahuna
no.
pa ko. If asa na ko,
Uy,
unsaon na ko
Andrew.
rearrange ako.
May gani ka na ra nga size di ay ako natay.
Ayaw nabda ko. Ha?
Murag mas ma-worry ka if katong bigger ones.
Like the one sa muhang naman na siya ikaw guys. Sylvanian's room.
Yeah.
The room. It's like
Yeah.
there's like a little town in that room and they're like big kind of gun houses and establishments.
Murag Christmas village yun na nga.
Yeah.
Type na siya village actually.
Pero
Pero Kate, pila mo estimate nga gasto sa imong toys na? Ala!
ding 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 ding. Kanang nakabay na ko og aircon.
Oo,
my
di ba?
insulate.
Ganina ka ni
So happy
Bay.
ng critters.
Oh, nakabay na jud ko. And I'm so happy jud. Kilig. Mag-spend na ko more time dito nga room. Oh, anyway. So yeah, mo na siya. Lawa, segue. Mo na siya
Sorry.
akong coping mechanism sa burnout na ko. Okay, ko bro. Sa manay mo.
You know me. When I get
Yeah,
burned
no.
out, I disappear from the face of the
Oh.
earth.
True.
Diyan.
These people are like one of the few people who get that about me. Yeah. If we're having discussion, talk, disappear for a month or two, and then come back as if nothing Nothing happened.
True.
Yeah. That's because we
Ako'y
love
bakrid kay
you.
sa ako'y bakrid kay kanang kuno sa library.
Unsa ni?
uh,
Shout
updated
out
na
sa ko mga
kami.
friends.
Updated na kayo sa latest ko. Ano ko, daghan pakikigibakrid.
Pero bisag sa kanamong GC nga tulo ra biya mi ha. Yan usay nga kami ra jud ni Kate ang magstorya niya. Dugay kay siya niya iyang mga reply baka dugaya ba niya ni react ani. Kana sa pa man na mo gistoryaan. To isang adlaw pa man ni.
Mo reply pa gid. Replyan pa gid.
Replyan ba jud niyang dugay na kay nga message.
So mao na siya nga sa GC pud na mo sa high school friends. Nga I also find nga kana mga understanding kasi sila nako pero ilan na nang gi-change ako ang nickname to unsa ni.
Kada chat niya kay unsa ni.
Nagdagka na kasi lagi pang isgutan. Unsa ni? But yeah, I don't know. Kanang grabe ako ang flight response whenever I'm burnt out. I just really wanna shut everything down. I just wanna, I don't know, stay away from people and just be sad alone.
Hermit mode.
Yeah, hermit mode. I hide in my cave and I don't know until I feel okay, I don't know why, but when I'm like super burnt out, I physically feel like my head is on fire. Is that weird? Like
No, it's
heavy,
understandable.
it's hot, it's I don't know, and I cannot deal with people. So without an explanation, I disappear. They know I'll eventually reappear.
I mean,
Ay, kanang
namdyo
galit
may nana.
lang.
Oo, namdyo yung nana. Kay, I think pod best pod ka na may nana kay most of the time like sa puton dali ra kay kamo kana on fire. So like better kay you know if ever ma-trigger lang ka gamay wala na mo buto mahimong anger.
Wala nga,
Yeah.
buotan kay kanyo niyo.
Yeah.
Mm.
I think daghan makarelate anang mga burnout ano na to. So you know, naiusa mag-shopping, naiusa mawa. Ako,
Ikaw, Anjuri.
if ma-burnout ko, muyaw-yaw jud ko mayo, mo rant jud ko. Mo rant jud ko like nila. Kung kay ba mo sapot kay ko. You know, magyaw-yaw jud ko guys kay if di na nako mayaw-yaw, mas maglagot mo ko.
True.
After ko magyaw-yaw, ako nang paminawon pila pa ka days if sa puton pa ko ay mag LinkedIn og Indeed na din ko. Mag-send na din ko application kay sa puto ganan ako mawa diri na. Pero itag tataon maulian ram sa noon ko pero kana lang jud usahay nga kanang if ma-trigger ko kay sa puton jud ko manang magyaw-yaw jud ko na siya. Unsa nga akong buhaton? Kana magyaw-yaw lang. Kana basta magawas lang jud nako niya. Maulian ram sa noon ko. Pero wapan sa jud ko kasuway nga kanang tungod lang jud ani mong nihawa ko. So I don't know, we'll see. Basin pohon, pero you know.
Pag-send sa niya ako kuhan sa LinkedIn.
Lagi kailangan
Updated naman.
nasay mo dawat na ako para maka-resign ako, char. Char Roy. So mura to siya, guys. Actually, na-relate na mo dagan mo tag na storya ganina. So, mo na siya mga alipin ng salapi.
Bro.
Wala mo tayo generational
Yeah.
wealth god nga kanang pwede lang
Oh,
maghayang-hayang diha.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Kaya, ano lang ka nang dawat na lang ta sa tong trust fund. Huh? Trust fund?
Sana all. Pero ano, siguro, I hope, kana, maparehatan ni Nea, nga makakita siya og company nga ni fit jud siya. So, amot lang pod no, kay for me, wala pa kay ko anang thought nga mo settle na jud ako sa ka-job. Kay murag for me, daghan pa kung pwede ma-try somewhere. Amo jud to siya akong reason nga nung ni-leave ko at akong first job nga nag 5 years ko. Kay murag I'm too young nga di na ako ma-explore ang uban gani. So what if kani ang mo work for me? What if ganahan ko nga kani ina na ba? So I mean pila pa man 2 pa man akong jobs. So I don't know, we'll see. But ganahan ko maka-try man god og like basig na apay mas ganahan ko.
So, thank you, Anjuri, for starting that beautiful discussion.
Interesting
Itaw, eh.
discussion.
Yeah, interesting. And like,
No, I like that we talked about that because it's the reality that we're living in now, and sometimes we cannot avoid those situations. And for me, lang, I'm glad that I get to talk about these things, adulting things, to the people that I've known ever since pag yun nga katong time nga bata wala pa taganahon, and I think mas feel gid na to ang emotion ang gi-rant sa other person kay we've seen each other nga tong
Yeah.
problema kay ang assignment to takabuhat ingon na ra tong mga problema sa una.
Kaya ka nang namoy
Yes.
assignment. Ako kabuhat gabi eh.
Na
Bitaw sa-
po dyan mga ni classmate yun ba nga, mama tong assignment parang i-remind.
Sa imong mind ba nga, hala, wala nakalimot si ma'am sa assignment. Ayaw ing na. Ang pabida kay nag-remind. Fist
Andrew,
Mhm.
Andrew, that one time in high school, that assignment, you remember this. I'm just gonna say one word and you're gonna remember this. Tampon. You don't remember?
Yawa! Katuning, commercial, advertisement, something.
Wata
Woman may
gabuhat.
nakandam. Kita ganun na paristato. Ano paristato? Basta kami ang paris. Niya wala may kaandam. Kay gaya-ya lang mga naong. Actually guys, pag high school, di jud ko tarong nga sa jante. O, kadili ka nang, dili gani, naning ka nang, naadi ay, sige, magbuhat ko. Naadi ay, hala, kalimot ko, inanagang gani. Lutaw-lutaw
Urdo
lang.
na magnaning sa tong section, Andrew.
Actually lang. Ay, makalimot gani ko if mulista ba ko si assignment. Like, kung nalay mo iskot ko, ubitaw no ang assignment. Sumoto siya, guys. Na-de may advertisement. English to, bro.
English.
English niya. I mean, love jud kay ako English kay. Actually, akong mama kay English teacher. So, kailangan jud ko magtarong sa English, guys. Kay gingnan mo ko nga, ay, kung pakauwawi ha, English teacher yung mama ko. So, mo to siya, akong English siya, ang dako jud og grado, ang uban, kay wala na to sila klaro. So, nakalimot
Right,
man.
Jud.
Diba? Hala, nakalimot man may naiya nga, kato dito nga adlaw. Kukyati. Ambot, kalimot man ko, bro, nga nung nakadecide ta nga tampon. Ano to?
Trabaho ko. Ako ang nagpasiulo ato. Bro, naka-bond paper. Pagluko tong papel. Tampo na tong.
Yan naman, eh,
We had to come up with the
diba?
product. Yeah, and we had to come up with like the product. So some of our friends kay naghimo sila og kanang mga junk food baron, nga kanang maagi material. Yung may material. So naglukot mi og papel. Ano yung advertisement tampon?
Yo,
Is
kauwaw
that's
ato
what we
eh.
had. But we did well though. We did.
Funny lang bang? Kanang, hala na, di karon di ay ito. Ay, wala lang tayo kwenta katong presentation gani sa PE, nga sayaw-sayaw. Kuyati, karon dito. Ay, ambot ay. Wajud ko tarong.
remember
Did you
that.
ko tarong nga student pag high school, guys. So, mana siya.
Yeah, same. Si Kate ay tarong diri. Kate was a good.
Si Kate, dagko dyan na siya grado. Oh, dagko na grado si Kate. Oh. Kami kay...
Dili, oh God. Dili ko na ako grado.
Dako daw na siya grado. Bert na si Kate.
True.
Ayun.
Bitaw.
Hindi, dili mo ako Pilipino kay funny mo kayo.
Okay ra na ang Pilipino kay English man ka. Englishera man ka.
Dili mo matter.
Di mo sorry, Ma'am Ermitan nyo, pero...
Sorry, ma'am.
Ay,
I
ako,
you
love na
too.
ko ang Pilipino, ma'am. Love na ko ang Pilipino.
Ah.
Love ito na ko ang Pilipino!
Unsa color sa ibong nga darnabi?
Katong red o orange. I think.
I have no idea. I cannot validate.
Hindi ba, like, nakitag naabtan, pero mo na siya.
So,
guys.
but
Oh,
yeah, we got to talk about adult things, knowing who we were before all of that.
You know,
so-
the growth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pero pag if together mi kay same brain cell raman, mura raman gyapon high school balik. If
We share a
magkuyog
one
mi-
brain cell.
Yeah. Muna siya.
Yeah. Bita, okay. I mean, great episode, guys.
Yeah.
Great talk.
discussions. Yeah.
So,
So,
that's a really good conversation for today. So that's pretty much it. We'll share more
Yeah.
on the upcoming episodes, and then maybe there will be future changes. I don't know.
Yeah. We'll see. Wink,
see.
wink.
Yeah.
So, moto siya, guys. Moto siya. So, for all the alipin ng salapi dyan, laban lang dyan ta, guys. We will have to
Yeah.
do this like 40 more years. So, laban lang dyan ta. Unless maswertean mo maka-business more unsa. But, you know,
Matag manawag sa loto.
Wag that.
Wala pusta-pusta.
yeah, but you know, laban lang. And don't forget jud to de-stress and get with your people para kanang dili mo ma-super burnt out. So, you know, very
Yeah.
important na mo'y life gihapon outside work. So, wala siya. So, the blend's over for now, but the chaos never stops.
Stay tuned. Stay bold.
And we'll catch you on the flip side. Bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye.